Welcome back. This is MoTech and I'm Noel Mwadende. In program number 38, we are going to find the perimeter of a rectangle. As we can see, a guide from our book as shown in figure 73, that is a piece of code. This is piece of code we should write, and figure number 74 is the sample output which should be obtained from the console after compiling and running our program. So here we go. Open your compiler. Control N for creating new file, #include iostream using namespace std int main, our main function, as normal as usual. So here put comment perimeter of rectangle C++ program int width is equal to 4, int length is equal to 4, double perimeter is equal to, in the bracket, width plus length times 2. Yeah, that's it. See out, let user know the answer of perimeter of a rectangle is perimeter, and then end line return 0. That is the end of your program. Return 0. Yeah. So as you can see, that is our program. Let us see how we should save it as we get a guide from our book owned by MoTech, written by Noel Mwadende. So it should be saved as a perimeter rectangle. So compile it, save as a perimeter rectangle. Save it. So as you can see from our program, we have 0 errors, 0 warning. So compile and run our program. Oh, the perimeter of a rectangle is 16. Let's see from our book. Oh, we are right. It's true. The perimeter of rectangle is 16, as shown in figure 74. So that is how to write a program that may find the perimeter of rectangle. I want to say this is the end of this video. Do not miss the next video. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. See you in the next video.